tondu macemanirie na ndungu. How are you? At her age, akirutwo nyondo yake ya mbere na ni tweire rugano very very deep, na ndiraigua no nyende acie ndagika igiri na inywe hajane. Hindi yo ndaheanaga mutu ari KU na akijira akiuma thibitari ni ekugera haha akioyaga mutu gitiga ndungu na ngimuhe ngiri 20 tondu mutumia uyu no hote kumurora uguo wone tatari na issue, but it's a very deep story. Na nini ngwenda tu amugeithie arafu tu o ndagika igiri amuhe kajane gake na cancer. Na riria ndungu ahurire thimu ndungu etereire uthie tondu ni mundu rume ni eumagia. Riu ndungu acokire kuhe rugano ruwe na kieha rwa mutumia uyu. Ni ura imagine mweri umwe ukinywa dawa cia makiria ma ciringi 118 na riu mutumia uyu murona haha dawa icio no cio cingimuturia na nderega kunywa dawa icio for how long? Almost meriena. It was a very touching story. Na ngiona tondu ni mundu young, as a bishop kuok nake kajane kau ona korwo ndimui muno, but having that dakorira online andu ni mamui na ngimwita guku gira ndungu amuhe gya kuria ndamwita amuhe mberu imwe amuheire ithatu sijuko nini o picha haikuju huku mbele amuheire mberu ithatu na ngimunengera ngiri 20 to ni dawa ni bia ndethagira kairitu karia ona ko kaume thibitari to ni muyo nako uria karwarire. And ni gwenda tu okumuhe part of my sermon time. Na tondu ndagitari Philip eguku na ndagitari kama we guku Vero eguku ndagitari maitu meguku ndenda twethere mutumia a simple method kana a simple way angihotaga ku access dawa iria ahuthagira tondu angikiria mieri 6 atanywete dawa icio tukamuthorera iguru na no igwa for 4 months ndari anywa dawa na hindi yo ari KU ari kugeria guthaithana na ari korwo no aheo ya rita rimwe tu amerie ikare mwiri. Kwa hivyo ningependa ukuja hapa geithia andu aya ona ni ndenda njikare haria jigue karugano kau ndagika icio igiri ndakuhe.
Praise the Lord. Mwathani agocwo. Amaritwa makwa njitagwo Lucy Karume kana Mama Sharet. Gwitu ni Nyandarua Magumu na gwitu tuciaritwo twi ciana ithathatu. I'm the fourth one. Mami twarutaga wira haria soko. Hau niho twamukorire tukimenya. So demohiku na in the year 2021-2022 I was diagnosed with carcinoma duct, breast cancer stage 2. Now at that time I was pregnant with our second child Ariana. Nilikuwa about mieri 3 kana pregnant because I was in the first trimester. So ndathire thibitari o uria mutumia muritu athiaga ugithie check up tondu gutiro ndo ndaiguaga uria twiragwo ni ndagitari wirore. So ndokirire kiroko ngithie kawaida na ndagitari handathire niwe wanjirire Lucy, we have to check up your breast because kunaonekana kuna kitu yenye si normal. And kitu kia mbere tweka scan anjirire ama tufanye biopsy cause scan yenye imetoka inaonyeshana kuna some growths. Na maybe uria kwiragwo whatever you doesn't know haiwezi kuwa because me I was very healthy. No ndacoka mucii venye aliniambia breast yangu inaweza kuwa na shida. The message yenye my brain maybe said kwa my body it said you aliniambia we are doing biopsy tuone kama uko na cancer. I went home very down. I was at the prime of my years, like 28 years. Uge expect na ati utakuwa na cancer. That was something that had never crossed my mind. So we did biopsy after about 2 weeks, and it came out after 21 days. And I was told that I had the breast cancer. And within that period ya kugojea result, like east side sijatolewa, the breast ilitolewa east side, ilifura ilikuwa imefika hapa, and it was leaking, ilikuwa inatoa damu and pus like. So the best thing ni kuwa tulikuwa na NHIF. So I went for daktari akaniambia I have to choose between the child and continuing the surgery ndio tufanye chemotherapy, but I told him that Mungu aliyeniweka hapo, I'm not going to lose the breast na nipoteze mtoto wako. So I'm going with faith, and I know that I'm coming back with my child. And fortunately, God did it. I went for the mastectomy at the hospital, and the breast was removed. Na nikazaa mtoto. The child is big now because kako 3 years. And then after nilifika the 3rd trimester, I did my first chemotherapy when I was still pregnant. And it was a tough journey because we were never prepared for that. And nobody ever prepares you for a nightmare, like you are waking up tomorrow and you have to face a journey yenye hata wewe hujui. And after the first chemotherapy, nilienda home, and then after 2 months I went for selective CS ndio mtoto atolewe, because I had to continue with chemotherapy. I did 6 cycles of chemotherapy, and then we did radiotherapy. After the treatment, we did the PET scan ya determining if the cancer was gone, and nilikuwa na furaha sana because I was free from cancer for the first time. And I was put on tamoxifen, zinakuaga for targeted chemotherapy. And unfortunately, they didn't work, because after a few months of having them, I started feeling the pain again. And we did a scan, and unfortunately, the cancer was back again. And that's when the doctors told me that I was going to have, ningepewa dawa ziko na nguvu kiasi, they were going to help me. I have been taking the medications. Tunasemanga, you take them religiously, because those are the only things that are going to make you live healthy. And unfortunately, again, after having the medicines for a while, we were removed from NHIF to SHA. NHIF, we never had the limit, mtapewa pesa gapi za dawa when it comes to oncologist, and I was having my medications as the doctors had told me. Until one day niliamuka and nikaenda hospital where I was taking my medicines, and I was told, sorry Lucy, unfortunately we can't give you your medications because your insurance, the SHA imefika limit. Now you can imagine, you are not fighting malaria, you are fighting cancer, and here they are telling you hutaenda home na dawa zako juu SHA imefika limit. Like, where was I going to get more than 100K ya kwenda home? Until today, remember, nilitoka hiyo hospitali, I went up to Kijabi, and then nikarudi to home because the process was the same. I came back home, and due to the months that sikuchukua dawa, I started feeling the sharp pains again, and I had to go back to the hospital. Nikaitisha referral and went to KU hospital. That's why I have been having the treatment recently. And we did a PET scan. And unfortunately, again, the cancer is back the third time. And this time, it's not on, haiko tu kwa matiti pahali ilikuwa, imerudi kwa shingo on my his side and on the outline of my lungs. Hiyo ndio ilinimaliza nguvu zaidi, because you have been fighting it on one place and now it's back in more places. It has metastasized to my neck and my lungs. And dawa waliniandikia, now I even think that zile zilikuwa za kwanza they were better. Just as they gave me medications, the medication I have to get is costing me more than 250,000 per month. I can't afford this. I went back to the doctor to beg them, like, can we change the medication? Juu waliniambia hakuna dawa, so I had to call for a whole week nikiuliza kama kuna dawa. And all they kept saying is, wait, hakuna dawa. So on that day when Bishop aliona message yangu, I was at KU begging them to change the medicines. Hata kama watanipea medicines zenye naweza afford, but they told me hawawezi, because that's what's going to keep me healthy, that's what's going to keep me alive. And the hospitals hawana hizo dawa. Where I have to get them, it's on private hospitals. So my prayer to Bishop was, whoever knows how I can get those medicines in those hospitals, I will appreciate. That's all I want, the medicines, nothing more. I want to live for my children. I want to live for my family. I just want to see them growing up. They are 2 years. My first daughter is turning 7 years this year. My second daughter just turned 3 years yesterday. And today, being my birthday, being my that birthday, all I'm praying, help me live, help me beat cancer, and help me smile again. We never chose cancer. Cancer chose us. We were thrown into deeps and told, you have to survive. And now, our leaders, that's what I was telling my mom the other day. Ni kama pia wao wamechoka na sisi juu. Bona mtutolee ile kitu ilikuwa inatusaidia na dawa. Yet out there you are telling people the SHA is working. But when we get to the hospitals, we are going back home without our medicines. They are telling us we have to survive. I'm telling my children I'm okay. I can't tell my children what I'm going through. They are too young. My husband tried the best he could. He never abandoned me, even for a single day. When you wamekuwa na chemotherapy, or those who have been caregivers, you know how it is. It's never easy. It's the hardest thing that you can ever go through. Waking up one morning, all your hair is gone, your health is deteriorating, you have kids who are depending on you, and your family. Because the only people who are there for me were my mom, my sisters, 2 friends that I came with, my husband, and my in-laws. When it comes to extended family, they also get tired of you. I remember one of my family said, kwake hakunaga cancer. Have you ever sat down and told God to give you a disease? Especially cancer, no. So to our government, please, 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 we need to survive for our children. And to the church, continue praying for us, for we know that we are going to overcome this one day. And we are not going to die, we shall live. So Leone, any doctor, anybody who knows where I can get those medicines, I'd appreciate, because SHA can't pay them for me. I can't afford them. Nambarikiwe.
Why? You know, some things are very painful. Kama hujawahi jipata hapa, hauwezi elewa. Mimi cancer in the year 2014 ilibeba mama yangu, na nilikuwa na uwezo. I had money in 2040. In 2019, it took away my sister ambaye tumefuatana naye, akaniachia watoto watatu, na bado alifariki nikiwa na pesa. Hapa tukiuliza ni watu wangapi kansa imewaondolea wapendwa, you can understand. If you've not been there, you cannot understand. Tumejaribu kusimama na Mr. Njoroge, mnajua hali yake, na Mungu amemponya tu kwa rehema zake. Wakati huu msichana alikuja, nikajiuliza, korona wairi muiritu uria wakuire we haha ndita bishop ikimuthaitha muno mundeithie mwana wa maitho ndagakue. Mutumia uria kende mwita mutumia right now ni undu wa kwaga dawa. Kansa yake yumite haria yari, ikaja kuingira mahurini na kanua na ngingo yake. Now that is about to udhukia maundu. No athie thibitari akerwo ndangiona dawa, ukarigwo karikitwe ekire, karikitwa hiteirie thirikari ati no mweherie utungata uria urateithagio uyu, murehe kindu gitaramuteithia ni giake. What is it for? Nikiona ciana citu ikiuma Kenya igathi gukua dawa cia kurefia, riu ucio umwe araitwo hwaini na twina thirikari mieri na mutumia ndameretie dawa na ultimatum maheagwo mieri 6, twatigia mieri 2. Arahoyo ihoya rimwe tu atore tu ni undu wa twana twake. Sijui kama ulikuja na wao.
Hawakuwa wana feel poor, they had fever, so I had to leave them at home.
Arahoyo atore tu moyo ni undu wa ciana ciake. Hiyo uchungu inakufikisha hapo, ukarora ciana ciaku, akiri ciaku igakwira uria kansa ikaga. It has broken my heart.